In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Steam account on mobile. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on literally anything you're using, whenever you're on a phone or a PC, laptop, anything like that, but we'll be using a phone. So all you want to do is go over to your browser of choice, and we're just going to type in Steam, and you're going to see store.steampower.com as the website. But one of the subsections you're going to see is create account. Go ahead and click on that, and then this is going to allow you to enter in your email address, enter in your country of residence, which is really important because of your currency for whenever you're buying games or anything like that. And then obviously you're going to have to just do a captcha. You have to agree that you're at least 13 years old, and then they have some terms and conditions for you. But once you go ahead and if you want to read those terms and conditions, you can. But once you go ahead and do that, it's going to prompt you to make a username, password, and all else as well. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. And then once you go ahead and make it, you can then go ahead and log in with that on like the application, for example, or any other device you're using, including the Steam Deck as well, because it all syncs up, which is really great. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.